How to put on a girdle.
Avoid using rings or sharp accessories that could harm you or become entangled in the garment. Your body must be completely dry to facilitate the posture of the garment. The girdle will be easier to put on if someone can help you position and adjust the garment. Use both hands to put the garment through your legs. It is important that the silicone bands remain in the correct position to offer you comfort and safety. Try adjusting the girdle correctly to your buttocks. You must properly adjust the girdle to the buttocks since it is designed to enhance that area. Once the girdle is correctly placed in your hips, stretch it. Through the torso, introduce the straps across the shoulders to make them fit. It is necessary to adjust the straps as short as possible without getting hurt. You must pull hard from the back to remove the wrinkles that the garment may have. Start fastening from the bottom up. First, begin with the hooks and then the zipper. You can do it progressively, that is to say, for each hook, a bit of zipper. It is recommended to pull each side of the garment from back to front and stretch it until the hooks are secure. If you have a pronounced tummy, we advise you to fasten the girdle while lying down or adopting a position that allows you to expand the abdominal area and make it easier for the garment to cover this area. Another alternative is making use of a wall as a support and locate the leaned body to pull it off. We suggest using the bra over the girdle, especially for people with a large bust. If you want to remove the straps, this will serve as a support. However, we warn you not to use the girdle without straps, as this gives you greater firmness. By using them, the girdle may have wrinkles.
If you notice your skin outside the girdle under the bust or creases in the garment, keep pulling it up as much as possible. To do this, we suggest to do it when sitting, grabbing the fabric from the area of the lower abdomen. If you have any difficulty fastening the last hook on the girdle, lean slightly forward to ease the placement of the hook. Finally, when the girdle is fully set, it is advisable to pull the back by the straps and adjust it again to wear the garment correctly.